New words from Lesson 1 for underage kids. Intelligent birds soar first, Class B, the 14th of October 2023.
安安的智鸟先飞为成年人雅思小班2023年10月14日第一次课程的单词集合视频总结。
Number 1. Afraid, feeling fear or anxiety, frightened.
害怕的，感到恐惧或焦虑，受惊。
Number 2. Tomorrow, on the day after today.
明天，在今天之后的一天。
Number 3. Yesterday, on the day before today.
昨天，在今天之前的一天。
Number 4. Today, on or in the course of this present day.
今天，在今天或在今天的过程中。
Number 5. The day after tomorrow.
后天。
Number 6. The day before yesterday.
前天。
Number 7. Fly, of a bird, bat, or insect, move through the air using wings.
飞，鸟、蝙蝠或昆虫用翅膀在空中移动。
Number 8. Travel, go from one place to another, typically over a distance of some length.
旅行，从一个地方到另一个地方，通常要经过一定长度的距离。
Number 9. Comfortable, especially of clothes or furnishings, providing physical ease and relaxation.
舒服的，尤其是衣服或家具，提供身体的舒适和放松。
Number 10. Comfort, a state of physical ease and freedom from pain or constraint.
舒适，一种身体放松，免受痛苦或束缚的状态。
Number 11. Where?
哪里？问地点。
Number 12. How, in what way or manner, by what means.
如何？以什么方法或方式？怎么做？
Number 13. What?
什么？
Number 14. Who, what or which person or people.
谁？什么或哪个人或哪些人？
Number 15. When, at what time.
什么时候？
Contact Dr. NN in England.